TextToNC is the applications that convert text to G code so that you can send to your CNC machines for engraving. After you download this zip file from our website, what you need to do, you just open up the zip files, and to install, you just copy this folder to put anywhere on your PC. For my PC, I'll put it here. To run the application, of course, you can double click the exe file, or you can create a shortcut and put on the desktop if needed, so that you can run the application from the desktop. Let's run the application now. For the first time that you run the application, you might have a message like this. That means you need a license to run it, a license or trial license to run the applications. Just select this text and copy the text and send us by WhatsApp or email us. After we received your ID, this is the ID, we will update the license from our server. So to get the license, you must make sure your PC is connected to internet. Okay. So after your PC is connected to internet to get the license, after you have registered, then you just need to click this button here, update. After you click update, and then you just close and open up again the applications, and the message is gone. That means now this application has the license already. I'm going to show you how do I convert the text. You can convert a single line text. For example, I key in ABC minus ABC underscore 1, 2, 3. And then click convert. Okay, so this message show converted. Then if you want to edit the program, you just click this button here, and you show you the programs. Okay, to plug out the program, of course, you can go to the online NC viewer. I just paste the code over here and click plot, and now you can see this is the text that we have key in. Okay, and for these applications, you can use it to enter a multi-line text also. For example, I add in, say, I love this applications. It helps a lot. Okay, so after keying, just click convert. Again, a new file is generated. Let me just open and paste here. There you are. Okay. And how about the size? Currently, the size of this code is 5. The depth is zero point 0.2 minus 0.2. The character space is 0.5. Line spacing is 1. If you need to change, you can always go to the settings. By default, the password is empty. Just click OK. If you key in password, make sure you remember your password. So from this setting here, you can choose which type of font. Of course, currently we only support one type of font for this version 1, only one type. And here is the area that you control the text size, the text space, and the text depth, engraving depth, the line space. All is in mm. Okay, and this is the plunge period, this is the cutting period, and the extension of the G-code file, and the password, of course, and the text direction by default is to right, the text is to right, and the line direction is down. You can change it if you need. And again, if you need to change the heading of the program, you can click here, edit the program start. Over here, you can change the heading of the programs. Okay. So here you can change it. And this is the variable for the character size, character depth, things like that. And X mean, X, Y mean, and Z means. Okay. Yeah, you can change it. For example, change a 2 number. Instead of 2-1, you may be 2 number 8, you can change. Yeah. And the RPM that you want to use, you change here. The work offset also you can change here. Okay, this is for you to change the heading. And the endings here. If you need to change the ending of the programs over here. And this is the collector shift program. If you need to change, for example, n collector num is this value over here. So if you need to change it, you can change. Okay. If you don't like the command, you just delete this line. So after you change to save the setting, make sure you click update. That is what you need to do. Okay, how about the file names? If you don't like the default file name, the default file name will be the name of the first line. Okay, look, this is a default file name ABC. This is same as the first line. Okay, if you don't want to use the default file names, or if you want to edit the file name, you can click here and you can edit. Maybe you don't want to have the extension, so you can always edit from here, or just put all numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to convert again. Now you can see the files is changed. If I edit, you can see now this file is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. This is a demonstration of the TextToNC app. Thank you. Here I'm going to explain how to run the TextToNC in a batch mode. Inside your TextToNC folder, you should have a batch file. You can edit this batch file by Notepad. Okay, or in this case, I'm going to use Notepad++ to edit this batch file. Okay, so edit is easy. This will be the text that you want to convert to G code, and this is the output folder. So for the output folder, I put it here in this folder. You can put it anywhere you want. Okay. So I'm going to copy this line into a few lines so that I can convert a few text in at one time. Yeah. So maybe for this text, I'll change it. Press alternate key in Notepad++ and alternate C. I'm going to start numbers 1, repeat by 1 and 1, and leaving 0. Then OK. So I have the number 1 to 9, and then save. So after I edit this batch file to create the G code, you just double click the batch file over here. Just double click, right? And you can see this folder here, the program is automatically created now. Thank you.